How to swap ETH to Saitama on your Trust wallet. First of all, what you need to do is open up Trust wallet, and you can also go to Saitama or search for Saitama. After you have searched it, you can go to this page over here and copy the contact. Or else you can just go ahead and open Trust wallet. After you do that, it's quite easy. Just go ahead and tap on discover on the bottom right hand side. Once you tap on discover, what you need to do is scroll a bit down and you can find Jupiter Exchange on the feature discover the app. Go ahead and tap on Jupiter Exchange. Once you tap on it, then you should just go ahead and tap on buying and search for Saitama. So after you have done that, just go ahead and tap on the first or the second one. Then you can just go ahead and search for ETH, which stands for Ethereum. So you can just go ahead and do this. Now you can keep in your value. After you do that, you can now see that you can easily connect it with your account by the Jupiter mobile or Jupiter quick account, and then you can easily swap ETH for Saitama on the Trust wallet app. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.